this is Charlotte from Learn English ASAP, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. If you're here, you probably want to learn English. Well, you've come to the right place. I post videos with English learning tips, with functional language and with vocabulary, and of course with English grammar. I live in a beautiful country called South Africa. I like to be out in nature and I love to swim in the ocean. I like red wine, red shoes, and of course red lipstick. My hobbies include reading, watching TV, and going to the gym. I've been a teacher since 2009, and for me, it's the best job in the world. I love meeting people from all corners of the earth, and I like helping people to achieve their goals and to realize their dreams. But why don't you tell me a little bit about yourself? You can start by introducing yourself. Tell me, where do you come from and what do you do? You can drop a comment below. I'd just like to end off by saying that this channel is for you. So let me know what you would like to cover. What do you need help with? You can send me an email and you can also comment below. I'm really excited to take this Learn English ASAP journey with you. See you soon. Bye-bye.